Welcome back to tutorial 2, how to use Find Property on googlemaps.com. Now that we've finished the first part of tutorial 2 where you have registered and completed your agent profile, we are going to add properties. As I mentioned before, there are compulsory fields on the profile. If you do not fill out these fields, then you won't be able to add your listing. You'll see that these are compulsory by that little asterisk. So I'm going to demonstrate. As you can see over here, I did not add a company logo. So we're going to go add residential. And it will show you that you need to add the company logo or whatever you've left out in order to add the listing. So you go edit logo, edit profile. You come down to where you've left it out, select image. A new window will pop up. I'm going to select that and select. And there's my logo. Come down, update, and now I can load. So come here to add residential, and now we're going to start putting in all our information on our property. So I've got a beautiful cluster situated in Morningside in Sandton, so I'm going to describe that. It's a Now this property title is going to be shown. If somebody drags their cursor over the pin which indicates your property, they'll see this. You can also put anything in here. If you want to say that it's on show, if you want to say it's a rental, it can go in here. Now we're going to go into the description. I've got a template that a company uses, so we're going to use this description. You're going to select all of it. Drag your mouse across it all. You can right click and press copy, or you press Ctrl C. Come back to the site, either right click and paste or Ctrl V. And there it is. Now we need to do our photos. We have instructions on how to upload the photos, but I'm going to show you. So you're going to come here to the plus. That plus is going to open that window where you have all your photos and folders and documents stored. You're going to find where the appropriate photos are of the house. You can either select all of them by pressing Ctrl A and pressing open, or you can select them individually. So I'm doing Ctrl A, open, and there are my pictures. I'm going to press upload, and it's going to load the photos. While it's doing that, I'm going to complete the rest of the information because it's just going to go that much quicker. So you're going to go that this is for sale. The amount here, it has to be in US dollars because it's a global site, but for your convenience, we inserted a currency converter. So you're going to just click that, and it's going to open up a new tab to this currency converter. You make sure that you have rands and you want US dollars. So for argument's sake, this cluster is 5 mil. So that's $356,005. Now you're going to select that and copy it, or you can just type it in. So I'm going to just type it in. And then we're going to come here and we're going to type in cluster to filter it. The availability, it is early occupation, it's immediate. The floor size of it is 225. Okay, there are 3 bedrooms and 4 Okay. Come back. 3 bedrooms. I believe it's 3.5 bathrooms. There's 2 garages. Then you have your property video. This is a link to YouTube that you can put in. As I said before, this is a link. It's a URL that you put in there when you've uploaded your virtual tour. You can put a document in there, such as a pamphlet or a brochure. Then you have your property ads as seen in tutorial 1. This is the multi-level marketing tool that the site offers. You have your featured properties, all rentals, latest properties. If it's luxurious home property, you can click that. And if it's on show, you also do that, and it will go into those parts of the site. So we're going to say that it's the latest property, and it's going to go into the luxury portfolio. Next, you do your property features. It has a wine cellar, there's a garden, boundary wall, balcony, there's Wi-Fi, there's a barbecue, street security, aircon. Yeah, I think that works for now. So to move on, also plan titles. Some people have the plans to their house. This is offered to you. Normally, this is also used, it's a very great tool to use if you're working on developments and they are in first stage or they're about to get built, so that people can see what is happening. So you'll click over here just like you did for the other images, select them and upload them. Next, you have your address. So you do 4 Susan Lane, Morningside, Sandton. There it is. And it will pop up on the map. It fills in all that necessary information. Now we need to go back up to select a featured photo. Now what this is it's going to be the photo that is going to be seen when somebody selects your property. So as you can see, these photos have blue ticks in the right hand corner. That means it was loaded successfully. Now you can roam your mouse over and you can see that there is a dustbin and a star. The star, when selected, is going to make it your featured photo. So I'm going to click this one, and now you'll see that there's a banner in the left hand corner, and now we can submit the property. So we're going to go down, say submit. And now the property has been created. And now you're going to be redirected to your property portfolio. So now we see that we've got it, and there's the price. Fantastic. So now we've added a residential. Let's look at the commercial. It's a very similar process. It's a very similar process. You're adding your property title in the description. You've got your photos. Okay. Then with your commercial, you have your zonings and all the other extra information that is necessary. You have your floor plans and then the plan description. Then you be specific on the address, and then you submit the property and you've created your commercial property listing. I hope that this has been helpful. This is the end of tutorial 2. If you have any further queries regarding any of this, please leave us a message in this chat now box, and we'll get back to you and answer any questions you have and assist you further. Speak to you soon with tutorial 3.